Hello my friends, this is Spiritual Soul. I'm here once again to teach you how to use rock salt to banish negativity, to clean your space, to clean your home, to prevent negativities from coming close to your home. All you need to do is take rock salt. Take 1 tablespoon of rock salt, dissolve it in a bucket full of water. So when you clean your home, just take a clean cloth and wipe your space. Wipe down the walls, wipe down all your cabinet, your tables, your chairs. Wipe them down with rock salt. And this is sure to banish negativities from your home. We are surrounded, with negativities. We're surrounded by negative people every single day, right? There are negative energies bouncing around, but you can use rock salt to clean your space. So try this out and let me see what you think, how you feel afterwards. Leave your comment in the comment section and stay tuned for my next video. This is Spiritual Souls. I love you all. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Spiritual Souls. I love you. Bye.